Now, Bhagwan's father wants to. He's there.
He's taking.
Where he went? Here.
Hmm.
So he said, "Ki let's go. We will take chana." He saw we are sitting in farm. He said, "Let's go. We'll take chana and we will make fire."
See, now it's getting fire slowly. Like you have to put on this, like this. So will get fire. Remove your hand.
I did. See, guys, sky is so clean.
Huh? Okay, take. Now this one try. This two. You saw how many?
You cannot take video from me when I go there. नमस्ते दोस्तों, ये नई वीडियो में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. और guess what? आज we want to make fire in village in farm.
So in Marathi we say dhale. Dhale is like that harbara, chana, green chana.
chana.
What we will do? We will make fire.
In Farsi we say nokhod.
Nakhod. So we'll put on fire, so it will get ready. And
I
then
never,
we will eat.
I never ate like
You never
that.
ate in farm,
no.
na?
And even I
but
never.
corn we ate.
I never even saw the fresh version of chana.
You ate last time.
I mean, no. I think another dal I ate.
Not the same we ate.
Really?
Last time we ate, but raw we ate, not in fire.
Means same. Before coming to India, I never ate raw version of chana. I always ate.
I think you never saw also tree
same.
near.
I never saw. It's there, but I am not from village, so I never saw. Only I ate dried one. That also we put in different foods and we make food with it.
In
so
Marathi,
now Bhagwan's father wants to. He's there.
he's taking.
Where he went? Here. So he said, "Ki let's go. We will take chana." He saw we are sitting in farm. He said, "Let's go. We'll take chana and we will make fire." But how you want to make fire?
They
don't have
matches.
Matches is there?
They have.
So we are going to. Last time we came to village, we made corn, if you remember, on fire. Now we want to make some chana dal.
Be careful downside.
Yeah. So now we want to make fire and we want to put chana inside and we want to eat.
It will be like cook.
So I want to see how will be the taste, and I just know one thing. Anything will be so tasty on fire.
Really?
Even corn also I love. Now it's not season, nah?
Now some people are growing, but now we
Oh,
don't have.
it's so beautiful. See, guys.
Backside, all is wheat.
All is wheat.
It's
And
like
here
gold.
Bhagwan's father.
It's like gold.
And here Bhagwan. तुमचे भगवान तिकडे आहे, माझा भगवान इकडे आहे. Chalo guys. Even you don't feel Bagu, sky is clean. Pune is not like this. Get less ka. See guys, we got so many chana and we are going to cook now. Chalo.
Sure.
Dhanyavad.
You want to show how it is chana?
Chana, let me show. So guys, oh,
This one is dry one.
dry one.
We have to remove it.
Fresh one I saw before.
Fresh one is green one is there. You can show.
See guys,
This one is dry one. They
this
have
one
to
is
remove.
dry.
Be
It's
careful.
like
Left
this.
side is that sharp thing.
No, I'm not.
Be
touch.
careful.
So it's like this,
This one is dry one.
and if you break it, inside will be like this.
It's
So dry one, your dad too?
No, the dry one. How we can eat?
Oh, fresh,
Green one.
fresh one.
Here is green one.
See guys,
So,
inside will be like this.
See?
Oh, it's like stone bag one.
But that is hard na. From that only they make dal na.
So hard,
They put in
huh?
machine or in old days they had jata. We say, I don't
Wow,
know in English.
this one I know.
With hand we used to do.
Huh?
Dal will come outside. But now everyone have machine. This one is green one. See? You ate. First
Yeah,
days, my
green
mom,
one I ate.
my mom was giving.
Huh.
Same thing. We have to put on fire.
Huh.
So it will be like cook.
Huh.
So we can eat.
Chalo, I like it.
That one show. This one is
Which one?
kata. We say It's like sharp one. This one is so risky.
Ha. Yeah.
One is there is so big there. I'll show you.
God, see guys, what I found here. Bhagwan is saying in
It's
past
kata,
it
we
went on his leg.
So many
See?
in childhood. This much, till this much it went
So
in my leg.
sharp.
Still I feel ki one of it in my left leg. Always I
This one?
small part. Because at night I used to come with my grandfather
Huh.
to give water.
Huh.
So these are like small tree. They come in farm also.
Oh
Now
my
this is
God.
on side of farm. So
They
when
cannot
you,
cut it.
they can cut, but it's not giving any problem. Now it's inside na.
Huh.
So it's good. So nothing will come inside like that big animals like pig and this thing, jungly pig and this thing. So when I used to go to give water at night, so we have to remove chappal and shoes, everything to give water. So sometimes it go in your leg and this thing.
Oh
So still I feel I have something in my leg,
my God.
but I don't know now where it is.
It's so
Suddenly
hard.
sometimes it give pain to me.
We cannot remove it.
Let's see.
Yee. Let me show you guys. It's so sharp. Eh?
Let's see.
So sharp.
So big and so sharp. That's why I'm saying walk carefully. You are walking like you're watching upside and you're walking.
So let's go. Even here also is there, that sharp one. Let's go and let's see how Bhagwan's father is making. See guys, sky is so clean.
There is so clean. You can see properly cloud and this thing. Pune you cannot see cloud. Show clouds.
Yeah,
See?
it's so beautiful.
So Bita is saying ki they put some gas in city.
Yeah,
See, now you are going to give leg on this.
Oh my
What?
God.
You are walking, you are watching. upside
Anywhere
down.
they are. Oh, he's making fire.
Yesterday, Bita was giving carrot to this small buffalo.
See guys,
Now he will fire.
now he'll make fire and he will throw, na?
And he will put on that fire.
Uh-huh.
So after
Can
some
I
time it will
make?
be cooked. Huh?
I want to make.
Okay, you make. Fire you want to make?
Huh.
Okay.
Because I have never been in village, na?
तुला जाळ लावायची आहे म्हण.
Pick up.
तू करते?
Huh. I got showered it.
But
Directly it will get on. See, I will try.
Okay.
like this.
now see my dad will put the soft thing below the sticks. Or directly he'll put. त्याला खालीच ठेवा ना पप्पा. ह्याच्या खाली ठेवा ना. तसं करण्यापेक्षा like this also.
Wait.
No.
It's getting on.
Bitul.
Wait.
Beta already
Babu,
wasted
let me
too. No,
try.
I'm just saying. ऐसा.
Don't do.
Slowly.
हा बोल बाय काय हौस येतं बाय
Wait.
काय बोल बाय
See, now it's getting fire. Slowly, like you have to put on this, like this. So it will get fire. Remove your hand.
I did.
See, now it will get fire, all of it. Now my dad will put those things on it.
And
will
after
get
how
ready.
much time it will get ready?
It will get ready in 10-15 minutes.
10 minutes.
10-15 minutes. See?
Oh.
So it's like just
Giving.
making cook, little bit get cooked instead of eating raw.
Tomato also I can put inside.
But
There
tomato is not ready. They are kharab.
They are kharab.
Alright.
Tomato kharab hai ka?
चांगला तिकडे
Check. They are good. Take.
I want to put one tomato.
हाताला डायरेक्ट टाका ना खाली पप्पा वर टाकलं तरी चालतंय की हात भाजायचे तुमच्या वर हां ओके टेक बेटा वांट टू पुट टोमॅटो ऑन फायर नाव
मला खूप आवडते tomato. Let me wash it. This one is water.
हां
Can I wash?
हां वॉश
I love fired tomato.
see it will get ready now after
Now can I put?
put beta want what you did beta want to put tomatoes on fire
I remember we always used to put in past. It's so tasty.
So now it will be ready, see?
Mushroom, tomato, potato. Potato आहे का इकडे?
नाही.
That
गेल्या
also
वर्षीला
was
म्हणतो
so
आपण.
tasty, fire.
आज नाही.
You tried? Potato.
No, I never tried. Baigan I tried.
You'll do something.
This buffalo is taking position so she can hit with leg.
त्या भाकर खायच्या का बाजून?
हा नाही आता नाही ते लोक माया लागले काय
खायची
खाते
पाहिजे.
हां
That tomato.
टोमॅटो टाका it got broken all chana डाळे
Oh, when you put, it will get broken. Then you can.
then it will fall down everything here on ground so we have to wait till it get cold
Oh, whatever is fell on the ground, that one. we
that
can
this one also we can eat
eat.
but that one is more cook it fall down on ground na म्हैस तर मारत नाही ना लात मागून पप्पा पप्पा
मारीत नाही रे.
Tomato also, Michelle.
टोमॅटोला पण मग टाका पप्पा थोडा
Inside fire.
फायर मध्ये टाका so this one guys in old days during my grandparents time they used to grow sugar cane also in my farm so this one is for that this place here they used to put jaggery and they used to make jaggery here oh. So this place was for that only but now they are not growing sugar cane and this thing but in old days they used to grow see bit like so much so I am saying to my dad because they want to make new house and now my dad's job also got finished so he got so much money as a pension so I am telling him ki some money put in bank as a FD and he can make house here so good they have 24 hours water also here farm also they can take care and it's near only means after few like I don't know it's not even 200 meter road is there so they can stay properly and enjoy and then take care of farm and this thing but they are not listening it's okay
What is this one?
which one
This tree.
nothing just tree baba I don't know in English what they say it's like just normal tree generally they use for putting animal below this tree in summer and this thing now guys we have to wait for like 5 minutes it's ready see this one I will give you now hula na in Marathi we say hula
Pura.
hula
Means?
same this process we say hula means after putting on fire this chana we say hula now eat and see how it is
Pura.
it's a little bit cooked now it's not raw
Let me say.
now what is difference between raw and this one you feel any difference
Little bit taste is different. It's not cooked.
it's not cooked that much
No. Maybe this one was not that
okay
much.
then I will give another one wait now this one try this two
So many mosquitoes. This
so
one,
which one is better raw one or this one
this one is so
this
good.
one is tasty na
Wow. Now I saw.
you
See,
saw
this one is
difference
not that cooked.
so now still is getting ready na we have to wait so here also my dad is making
Oh. My tomato also is getting ready.
Beta want to eat tomato. She put tomato inside. Iranian people like so much. Tomato, baigan,
With namak.
with namak.
Tasty.
Means they just put on fire and with namak they eat with food. You're saying Bitul?
I'm saying sky is not poisoned with chemtrails.
See how is sky in village, but in city you cannot even see clouds. So Beta is saying they put some gas, chemical. Because of that we cannot see.
So you'll get ill, feeling low.
Yeah.
Boy, how many there are?
So many.
Let's go.
They'll run.
इकडे इकडे इथं इथं इथं
Come there.
इथं इथं दिसतात.
Where are they?
The front will sit. On stone go. On stone go. Slowly. Slowly go on stone. Slowly. Go on stone. So many. So many are there. Go outside.
Boy,
You saw how many?
you cannot take video from me when I go there.
No, they'll run. They'll stop.
Boy, थोड़ा खुदा.
They'll not stop. They'll run. Betul. If you go near, they'll stop there. How many?
Please.
Please, you want to go? They'll
No,
run.
little bit, let's go front.
Okay. What is this black one?
It's male version,
Really?
I think.
Le hai tai. Mom is saying all her vara they are eating.
Wait.
Must khayal hai.
Back one, don't make noise. Back one. Let's go.
Beta. बूट पर्यंत जाते ऐकत नाही ते ना Beta want to go near deer but they will not stop. She is not listening me. My mom is saying go and remove them from our farm. So guys, so many deers were there. So many, it's like 10, 11. They went, but abhiya. They went that far. What you are doing, Betul?
I never saw.